Good morning, everyone. It's kind of cool here at the lake today, but it's nice. It'll be a good day to work. So yesterday I've been doing cleanup. My mom's been up for the weekend, so I haven't done a lot of work. But I fixed some of this up. This lilac, the roots, they had left them a little bit exposed, so I just put some dirt there. I'm getting a shipment of soil, so I'll fill up this area. They still have to move this rock up because they left it sitting on this poor tree. So cleaned up a little bit here. I also bought this rose of Sharon, so I planted it here. I wanted to plant it a little bit further up, but we just don't have room there. They had some of the rocks there when they were doing the work, and I think they just removed some of the stuff from there. So it's kind of low, and I don't want to leave it not planted. If anything, I can always move it in the spring if I feel it's necessary. But for now, I'm just leaving it there. Needs some water, so I'll be watering it today. That little garden is coming along. The impatiens are okay. I don't think this is an ideal place for them. Eventually, I'm going to just have hostas here anyhow. So I know at this time of the year they tend to be scraggly anyhow, so that may just be part of what it is. Because when I put them in, they did okay for a couple of weeks. So I'll try again. So they still didn't move this back where I asked them to. Jason is calling today, so I hope that he'll be able to get this moved over quickly. I'm going to be scrubbing down these chairs today and getting this patio fixed. I'd like to have a little fire today for my mom. And this garden here, I'm just blown away by the fact that the daisies are still doing so well. So I'm going to deadhead today. Yeah, so there's going to be some flower management, some watering, a couple of things I have to do that I have to trim. And the hydrangea finally got a little flower, but that's the only flower I have. And the mosquitoes are out in full force. And this hydrangea is doing quite nice. This is limelights. So after it blooms, I'm going to trim down this branch here to try and promote some growth over here, because there's kind of a open gap there. And that little tree is coming back up. So we've had several rainfalls, and now we've got little early signs of fall is soon approaching. I also planted this little rose of Sharon here. So it seems to be, I'm not sure why it did that. I'm going to stake it because it's leaning the other way. And I keep pressing down on this side and nothing's occurring. So this needs a stake and obviously water. So I'll be drenching it today and tomorrow before I leave. There's not rain until later on in the week, so I'll make sure that it's well watered so it doesn't go into distress. And it's white. It's quite pretty. I love the white ones. And over here, I'm not going to touch until I know for sure where the walkways are going to end up. So today I'm going to be obviously taking care of the flowers. I might rake the sand. This is the third day that they've promised sun and we haven't seen it. So it would be nice to see some. I'm going to do a little bit of weeding, and I might do some of the bejeweled, that seat there, maybe, and on both muffler and engine where they're sitting, and on those little stumps that we're using as end tables between the chairs. So I'll see, and I will videotape. I'm gonna go in and have a cup of coffee with my mom before the handyman comes, so we can discuss some of the things that I need to have done. It is such a lovely morning here today. I'm still here with my mom, taking it easy. She's really loving being here. Yesterday we came down to the beach. She's got some mobility issues, so today she's up on the deck. But yesterday I raked all of this because we had acorns all over the place. And I've been here enjoying a cup of my coffee. And yeah, my mom's saying you've got to rake the sand. So there were so many acorns, and I already have some here. So got this all raked out, including in front of the cottage there. My mom is up on the porch. I'm gonna go spend a little bit of time with her. Gonna do a little bit of weeding today. I deadheaded the flowers yesterday. I didn't get done what I wanted to get done, but that's okay. I had a nice relaxing time with my mom. Here's all the acorns now on the ground. And I swept or raked so many yesterday. There's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of acorns there. Oh my goodness. These flowers are just lovely. They don't spread at all. There's another 2 plants there. Those 2 plants I haven't had any flowers yet. So I'm hoping that we'll get some eventually. And I'm going to preserve these. And we'll replant them again when we do the wall here. So I'll still have my little jungle over there, but I did do a little bit of weeding. And this little contraption that I did here to stop the water from flowing here from this walkway, although it's rinky-dink, it did do its job and directed the water down there. So if it's a torrential rainfall, probably won't work. But I think regardless, we'd have an issue. So yeah, I still have that patch over there, probably 10 by 12. I'll try and do, maybe 3 feet by 3 feet before I go. We're gonna head down at around 3 o'clock this afternoon. It's about 11. But I'd like to get a little bit more done because I'm having difficulty focusing on this. But this hair cap moss is just absolutely gorgeous, and I love how it's thriving. And even those areas that I uncovered that was quite low, I see that it's really thriving there as well. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to spend a little bit of time with my mom, and then I'm going to do a little bit of waiting after. So I'm done for today. I have to head down. I got a good piece here, probably about 6 feet by 2. Found more maiden cap moss, so I uncovered it so it can thrive. So I have this area done. Oh my goodness. So I think what I will do is work this way in wedges. But look at this. Got new weeds coming in from the ones that I pulled before. Anyway, but that's weeding. But I think what I'll do is just start there and then work this way until I get to that corner there. There's a lot of stuff there. So I'll work that way. What I may do is next on the weekend when I'm in is start cleaning it up on that side of the fence. So at least it'll look a little bit cleaner from that end. And that's it for today. It was a lovely weekend and 2 extra days that I had here with my mom. So very enjoyable. It is absolutely gorgeous out on the lake today. It's too bad we have to go down. She only has medication until today or yesterday. So we have to go down. But it's about 25 and there's no breeze. It's really, really warm. No humidity. Well, a little bit, but nothing uncomfortable. And yeah, so I'll be back on the weekend.